Welcome back. This is 2 of the 3 video tutorials to help you knit my Raindrop lace shawl. In this tutorial, I'll go through chart F of my pattern. For more information, please visit www.cottonandcloud.com. Okay, so you're ready to do chart F. Chart F only involves the right side of the first stitch marker, and it's all about making the turns, the corner turn. This involves series of short row knitting without wrapping the stitch. Okay, so the first row starts with cast off 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And knit until the last stitch just before the first stitch marker, and knit the last stitch through the back of the loop. Without wrapping any stitch around with the working yarn, turn the whole work to the wrong side. So this is row 2. Keeping the yarn at the back, slide the first stitch purlwise, knit 2, yarn over twice, and slide, slide, knit, and knit to complete row 2. Turn the work to the right side. On row 3, knit 3, okay, and purl 1, and this is done over 2 yarn overs made in a previous row, and knit 2, and you'll have 1 stitch left on the left needle just before the stitch marker, and keeping as it is, turn the whole work to the wrong side and keeping the yarn at the back. On row 4, slide the first stitch and knit 3, yarn over twice, and knit 2. Turn the work to the right side for row 5, knit 3, and purl to make a big eyelet, and knit 3. And now you have 2 stitches left on the left needle. Keeping as it is, turn the work to the wrong side, and on row 6, yarn over twice, slide, slide, knit, and knit 4. Turn to the right side for row 7, knit 6, 4, 5, 6, and purl, and you now have 3 stitches left on the left needle, and keeping as it is, turn the whole work to the wrong side, slide the first stitch, and knit all the way to the end. Basically, you would have 1 extra stitch unworked on the right side. So when you're back on row 1 of chart F, you would be working back to finish the end pieces. So now I'm back on row 1 of chart F, and I'm casting off 4 stitches. And 4, and I'm knitting these unworked stitches to the last stitch, and knit the last stitch through the back of the loop, Okay, so now you can see the right corner of the shawl halfway done. And to complete the turn, you'll have to repeat rows 2 to 8 once again.